Blast in 5 minutes. Everybody out. Move to the green zone.
Clear the area now.
All clear on this end. Proceeding to the detonation point.
All units, maintain current spacing. Watch for oncoming traffic at Junction 12.
This convoy is moving too slow.
Rerouting ventilation now.
Acknowledged. Optimizing the path.
All right, certification is current. Let's check that lamp.
Green light, ma'am.
Self-rescue sealed. You're cleared for level 3.
The XRF is showing significant mineralization right along this contact zone.
Log that immediately, then get a sample for the main lab.
A little more to the left, driver.
Okay, hold it there.
Gross weight confirmed, 428,500 pounds.
Okay, he's tilting now. Keep an eye on the grizzlies.
Looks good. No oversizes yet. Maintain the flow.
Maintenance, confirm lubrication on the number 2 bearing. Feed rate looks good from here.
This section here shows critical wear. We need to replace these 3 plates.
Copy that. Moving the cart forward now.
Position confirmed, open the gate slowly.
Roger that. Opening the gate.
In the flotation circuit, air bubbles attach to the gold particles, bringing the valuable minerals to the surface as froth.
Level approaching the final mark.
Okay.
We've reached 80% capacity.
Confirmed. I am securing the hatch.
The regeneration operator carefully monitors the kiln's temperature zones. The carbon is heated to 700 degrees Celsius. The electro-winning process plates the dissolved gold onto the steel wool cathodes. We maintain a steady 2.5 volts per cell.
fire assay result is 98.7% gold.
And the XRF confirms it, 98.6.
Look at the thermal gradient stabilize.
Down to 200 Celsius, the crystallization looks perfect.
Analysis complete. The purity is confirmed at 99.993%.
Excellent. Proceed with hallmarking.
The hydraulic press applies 5 tons of force, permanently etching the refinery logo, purity, and unique
Security seal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applied.
Verified. Documenting seal and weight.
Place this in section C, shelf 12, position 47, facing outward.
Got it. Confirmed.
250 kilograms. Seal number recorded. Sign here for transfer of custody.
Acknowledged. We take it from here.